Now, there's a medical breakthrough here in Israel, and it is showing positive signs for slowing the progression of ALS, the fatal neurodegenerative disease with no cure. A new Israeli-developed drug called PrimeC, which was developed by the biotech startup NeuroSense Therapeutics, was recently named the most promising experimental treatment by the ALS Association in the United States, showing a 30% slowdown in disease progression in phase 2 trials. For more, we're joined by Alon Ben-Noon, the CEO and founder of NeuroSense Therapeutics. Alon, thanks for being with us this evening. I know it's just the early stages, but it seems PrimeC, it's proving to be effective. Tell us a little bit about the progress that we're seeing right now.
Absolutely, with pleasure. So we just concluded a very successful phase 2 study in ALS. And in this trial, we saw the effect of the lead drug candidate that we are developing, PrimeC, on ALS patients. And what we saw is actually what you mentioned, slowing down the disease progression by over 30% over a period of 18 months. But moreover, we saw additional clinical benefits and also biomarker benefits in terms of the target engagement, the fact that the drug did what it's supposed to do and reached the targets that it was aimed for and created a biological change in those patients.
It's amazing to hear this type of reaction. Let's talk about the need for this type of treatment. There's no cure for ALS, and this is a horrible disease that so many people have seen impact their loved ones so quickly. And so to be able to prolong that process, what is the need that we're seeing for this type of treatment?
So I think that the need is enormous, of course. It's a huge unmet need in the field of ALS. And patients need, first, a better quality of life, and second, to extend the lifespan. In this disease, it takes approximately 2 to 5 years until the patient dies. And it's very unfortunate, but we believe that we can not only extend the patient lifespan, but also improve the quality of life and maintain functionalities over time for a longer period of time. And by that, to maintain the patients more independent. And also, it brings relief to their families as well.
It's amazing that there is these signs of progress. And so what's next? Phase 3, perhaps? What should we expect to see coming from PrimeC?
Yes. So we do intend to run a phase 3 study to confirm the findings that we saw in the phase 2 clinical trial. The study will take place in the United States, Europe, and Israel, of course. But moreover, we are also approaching, and we already approach Health Canada, since they have a regulatory pathway to approve promising therapies based on phase 2 clinical studies when there is a huge unmet need. And we are meeting both the fact that there is indeed a huge unmet need for a good therapy and, of course, the promising results from our phase 2 study. So we have high expectations to get the drug approved in Canada first. And we are also working on potential partnership that could bring or move faster the phase 3 program, since through this potential partnership, we will be able to fund the phase 3 study, which is very costly.
Amazing to hear the work that you're doing, and we'll certainly be wanting to follow up on phase 3 of the PrimeC drug. Alon Ben-Noon, the CEO and founder of NeuroSense Therapeutics, thanks for being with us on the rundown and sharing the amazing breakthrough it seems like you guys are developing.
Thank you very much for having us.
Thank you.